plant lovers, here is Rahul Rao from Horticulture Rejuvenation. Today I am gonna share my ceramic pot collections with you. Let's see how many I have gathered in past 3-4 years. These are the pots I am having of ceramic. I'm not very big fan of ceramic, but yes, it gives a great appearance to your garden if you'll bring them. Different types of ceramic pot comes in market, and there are several varieties, several shapes, and it will really mesmerize you if you'll plant in these pots. One of the important things you have to keep in mind that you have to choose right pot for the plant. The size of the pot really matters for the plant if you are planting any plant, because its growth really depends upon pot. So you have to choose right shape and size for the plant. As you can see that I have planted oxalis in this pot, and it is growing fine, but it doesn't get much bushier because the shape and the size of the pot is not that big, so it really affects the growth also. If you want bushier plant, then you have to plant in a larger pot. You can see this oxalis plant I have planted in a larger pot, and this pot is of plastic, so you can see that it has become bushier, and it is hardly 8-9 months old. This plant is around 3 years old, and this plant is around 8-9 months old. So pot size matters, and if you want good growth, then you should be planting in better or bigger pot. As you can see that this sansevieria is doing really good in this pot, and the shape and the size of the pot really favoring the plant, so this thing also matters. One more thing is these ceramic pots are little expensive as comparison to plastic pots, terracotta pots, or cement pots, so you have to pay little more if you want to buy ceramic pots. This pot costed me 300 rupees, and I remember the price of this pot, and I also remember the price of this pot also. After bargaining, I got this pot of rupees 450 rupees. So yes, if you want to make your ambience beautiful, then you have to pay a little more. I have planted one haworthia in this pot. It grows really good. This succulent is really awesome when it grows. It wasn't getting much sunlight. I have realized that this plant requires good indirect sunlight to grow good. After that, you can see the money plant. So I have planted 2 money plants in ceramic pots. You can see these plants. It is growing good in these pots. Here is aglaonema. I'm having 3 aglaonemas in ceramic pots. I'm having 3 varieties also. So this one is also one of the kind of aglaonema, and it's too good in. I mean, the color of this aglaonema is really not common. And one is this red one, commonly called as lipstick. So I like the color of this pot in which I have planted. You can see this. And one monster I have planted in this pot. I like the size, I like the shape of this pot, and I've planted in this pot. So you can see the shape. It's really wonderful. After that, you can see baby sunrose in these pot. I've pruned this plant a few days back for better growth. Hopefully it will bloom in few days. This one also I have propagated in this pot few days back, waiting for its bloom. After that, I have planted one adenium in this pot. This pot is really wonderful. I wanted little bit bigger pot, but I didn't get, so I have planted in this pot. Its flower is really beautiful when it blooms. It is going to bloom again. It was blooming few days back, so waiting for its bloom. One Tropicana fragrance I have planted in this pot, and it is doing really great in this pot. I really like the shape and the size of the pot. It is really suiting the plant. Do you know ceramic pots are also mud pots? The difference is one coating is done in ceramic pots to make them ceramic, and it goes through some process. So one of the reason is due to extra process and coating it becomes expensive, and it also gives good looks to your ambience also. So this was the collection of my ceramic pots. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Keep gardening.